Here we have a reaction and we need to predict products under two different experimental conditions. This is electrophilic addition of bromine to a conjugated diene. Here we have 0 Celsius and 40 Celsius. First, let's identify the carbon atoms at the conjugated system. So I'm going to be adding numbers here. So just counting the carbons in the pi system, this is just that number. So I'm gonna say carbon 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is just the 4 atoms involved in that electrophilic addition. So at 0 Celsius, what we will have is the kinetic product. So this condition is for kinetic product, and that favors the 1,2 product. So we're gonna have add bromine in carbon 1 and carbon 2. But let's do, if we did, say, mechanistically speaking, if we have, say, a bromonium that goes through bromonium intermediate as well, and then we will have possibility of, say, bromide attack this way. So that's bromide. And again, attack is anti. And here we will have, you're not touching this carbon. The attack, notice if I number the atoms, is 1, 2. Under kinetic conditions, you're getting the 1,2 product. So if you're doing this, the other bromine is going to end up like that. So you're going to have, that is the reaction product of that. But you could also form the bromonium on the other side. So you can have the bromonium instead of wedges, like dashes, and have the opposite configuration of each. So you will have the enantiomer. Now, what happens under thermodynamic conditions? So that is kinetic product. And you will have the 1,2. Now, under that condition, then here you have 3 and 4. Those are the atoms. Just here, going to start from that bromonium intermediate. So I'm going to redraw it. I'm going to just redrawing the same intermediate bromonium here. And now identify my carbon atoms in the conjugated system to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the next attack is over to carbon 4. And when you do that, you will do this and open up that way. One page fell over. So, what are you forming? Now you have added one bromine in carbon 1 and the other in carbon 4. Now you have bromine here, and you have that chain open up. Here you will have a bromine and a metal. And if you remember how we named the carbons, you had 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is the 1,4 addition product. So this is what you will get. Then kinetic product, thermodynamic conditions.